How to connect MetaMask with Coinbase Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can connect MetaMask with Coinbase Wallet. Well, to connect MetaMask with Coinbase Wallet, you actually want to import your MetaMask wallet's recovery phrase into the Coinbase Wallet, or send cryptocurrency between them using their respective addresses. However, you have to keep in mind that you cannot directly connect MetaMask and Coinbase.com, but you can transfer assets between them. So here is a breakdown. You can find your MetaMask recovery phrase. So log into your account, right? Then find your recovery phrase. I won't be able to show you here due to security issues, but you want to write it down. Then you want to download the Coinbase Wallet app and select I already have a wallet. Then tap restore with recovery phrase and enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Then create a username, set up privacy preferences, and choose your security method. Then you can use the wallet on your crypto or Coinbase. You can transfer crypto and assets between the two accounts. I've already made a video on how you can transfer assets between Coinbase and MetaMask or vice versa. So you can check out my channel for it. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.